For 10 years, I have filmed around the world, and every single trip starts with the same headache. I either pack too light and miss the shots that I want to get because I don't have the gear, or I overpack and I regret every step of the way. This year, I found the balance. Welcome. I shoot solo about 80% of the time, so weight, speed, and reliability decide whether I get the shot or not. Today, I'm breaking down the balanced kit that captured every clip you just saw, and it still fits in one backpack and one hard case. Stick around to the end of the video because you'll meet the $30 hero that has saved more shots than any camera that I have here today. 3 cameras, 3 lenses, 1 drone, a gimbal, a tripod, pro-level audio, a mobile editing rig, and a handful of tiny lifesavers. Each one earns its place for the solo filmmaker. When the shoot is fast and the weight matters, I need full frame 4K 120, extremely good stabilization, and a rig under 2 pounds. That combo is the Sony ZV-E1 with the Sigma 16-28 f2.8. This little camera is incredible. It shares the same sensor as Sony's FX3, which is in their cinema line. That camera has been used on Hollywood films for sunrise to sunset solo shoots where I need dual cards in EVF and a few more features than the ZV-E1. I use the Sony a7S III equipped with the Sigma 24-70 f2.8. It's basically the exact same camera as the ZV-E1, but it's just kind of like the bigger brother to it. It has a few more features, it has a few more buttons and dials, but ultimately these two cameras just go hand in hand. They grade the same, and both of the cameras are super easy to use because they're almost identical. When the story demands 12-bit RAW and creamy highlight roll-off, even if it means hauling 4.5 pounds of rig, I grab the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K full frame with a tilted cage, an external SSD for recording, and a Sigma 24-70 f2.8 lens. A stabilizer must set up in a minute, run about 10 hours, and weigh about the same as a mirrorless body. So that gimbal is the DJI Ronin RS3 Mini. For locked off frames and fluid panning without suitcase bulk, I unfold the Tilta VF03 Video Fluid Tripod. This little thing is incredible. It's made out of carbon fiber. It can actually hold the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K in its cage. It's perfect for vlogging. It's perfect for run and gun situations, but it is extremely tiny. So if you need something that is going to be a full-on tripod that you can bring with you, there are plenty of travel tripods out there. So just do some shopping around and see what works, but pretty much just get the lightest tripod you can afford. For 5.4K log from a 1-inch sensor that can fit in your hoodie pocket and can handle pretty insane winds, the drone is the DJI Air 2S. Dual transmitters, 32-bit float, and 14-hour battery life keeps my dialogue clean, and that kit is the DJI Mic 2. 2 variable NDs, one Peter McKinnon VND2 that's scratched to shit, Nisi 1 to 5 stop VND, a lens wipe kit, a couple more memory cards, spare batteries, and the tiniest little accessory that a lot of people overlook that is necessary for any kit. All the charging cables and accessories needed for every camera, and a little camera tool, or 2. I need real-time 6K RAW edits on a cafe table required muscle, a 32-core GPU, 64 gigs of memory, and a fast SSD. That combo is the 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max with a SanDisk Extreme SSD. I have recently upgraded to the M3 Ultra here for my home base editing station, so the M1 Max when I travel is insanely good still. It's been one of the best computers I've bought in a long time. I've had it for years. It's great. If I'm going to be doing some light walking around or a casual street day, quick side access and under seat size. If I'm on a mountain mission and I'm going to be doing tons of hiking, I need something that's waterproof and at least 30 liters with some good support straps. Those 2 bags are the Nomadic Luma 18 liter, Peter McKinnon edition, and the Companion Element backpack. The 18 liter pack is awesome. I carry it with me every single day. I can throw my hard drives, I can carry my laptop, 1 camera, maybe another lens or a drone. It's great. It's amazing. If you fully pack it, it is extremely heavy because camera gear is heavy. But when I need to carry a little bit more, be a little bit more comfortable, the Companion Element backpack is incredible. It has an amazing top pouch thing that you can open up and throw dirty clothes in, or snacks or lunch, or if you just need to throw anything in there, it's really nice. I can fit my gimbal in there if I need to, but the overall space in that backpack is significantly bigger than the 18 liter. So that leads me on to my next item, which is somewhat of a new purchase. To survive baggage handlers and thunderstorms, everything rides in my Nanook 935 hard case. I was kind of on the fence between the Nanook 935 and the Pelican 1510 Air. They are both built to be as big as possible for a carry-on piece of luggage. There were a few things I didn't like about the Pelican case, like the top handle seemed a little jittery when you would drag it, and the wheels were not super nice. The wheels on the Nanook are extremely smooth. Hey, real quick, this video is sponsored by Envato. If you are a creator or a filmmaker, these next 60 seconds may completely change the way you think about creating and potentially change the trajectory of your life. Have you ever hit the point in your edit where you're just like, yes, this is so good, but something's missing? The titles may feel off, or the music is just kind of meh, and you've spent hours searching through millions of tabs trying to just find that one thing. Yeah, I've been there. But that's why I use Envato. With one subscription, I get unlimited access to everything. Music, sound effects, motion graphics, titles, LUTs, fonts, all of the tools I actually use in my videos. But as of lately, I've been blown away with their new AI tools. Do you need a custom thumbnail or graphic? Just type in a prompt, enhance with AI, boom, image generated. That's extremely useful when storyboarding your shots. They even have voice gen, where you type in your script and you get an instant voiceover.
It's wildly good.
And Video Gen lets you create short videos with text prompts. It's insane how fast it works, and it works really well for shots that you'll never be able to get. Every asset, every AI tool is included. No hidden fees or upsells. And yes, you can use every asset during or after your subscription ends on your personal and commercial work. So if you're a filmmaker or creator and you want to save time and stay in the art of flow, check out the link down in the description. For the last 7 years, it's been a game changer for me, and I'm sure it will be for you too. All right, let's get back to the video. For the underrated hero. You guys ready? It weighs almost nothing. It hides in every pack's top pocket. It has saved multiple sunrises and sunsets, late night hikes, and after hours descents. If you film outdoors or ever pack your gear in the dark or use it in the dark, grab yourself a compact headlamp. After a decade of filming solo, I've learned that gear isn't necessarily about owning the most or the least. It's about carrying exactly what you need to solve real problems, nothing extra. That's why you don't see the newest camera body or the latest and greatest in my camera bag all the time. I wring out every ounce of value from my gear before I move on to something new. By the way, full gear links and my power grades and LUTs are linked down in the description. But now it's your turn. What single piece of gear never leaves your kit? If this helped you, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm curious to see what you guys think. But at the end of the day, just remember, the best kit is the one that lets you press record.